Hey friends, it's Wendy with Cannin Plannin. Excited to be hanging out with you guys. We have been doing 29 days of crafting in the month of February. It is Leap Day, February 2024. If you are watching this on replay way down in the future, we made it through 29 days of crafting, and it has been so much fun to play with the different kits. We've played with Coffee, Gnome, Capybara, Easter, the tour kit. We've played with the cop kits, 2 different kinds. So it's been fun to do a lot of crafting with you through the month of February. So we're going to dive into our very last craft of the month. So let's take a look. All right, you guys, I loved the capybara so much that I wanted to end doing another fun fold with you guys with this cute little adorable capybara. So this is what we're going to do, you guys. You're going to need a card envelope, a card base, your pattern paper, sticker sheet. I grabbed an extra piece of paper, and you need to make sure that it is long enough to go all the way around your card base. I grabbed the rhinestones button, and then I found some purple washi tape that I wanted to use as well. And then, of course, I grabbed the journal stickers because I want to be able to utilize the stickers on my card. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open up our card base, and there is a nice crease in there. If you don't want to utilize that crease in this particular style, you don't have to. You can cut a base that doesn't have a crease down the middle of it. But for the sake of showing you how to do this, I'm just going to use the card base that comes with the card kit. So what you're going to do is you're going to take both edges and you're going to fold them over into the center. We're essentially going to make a barn door opening. So we're going to go ahead and use that bone folder. We're going to do that on both sides. So the card is still the same width as if you were making a regular card, but this one just happens to fold open in the middle. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take some of our pattern paper, and we're going to put that right in the center here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually, no, I don't want to do that. We're going to do things a little bit differently. So I'm going to cut a piece of paper to go in here. That is, I got to make sure I cut it the right way so that I don't destroy what I'm trying to work on here. So we're going to go 4 inches in because we want it to be the same size as our background paper. And we're going to go 5 1/4 inches. Then what we're going to do is we're going to cut 1/4 inch off of the top and the side of this piece of paper. All right, because I wanted this to be a little bit stiffer, and here's why. So I grabbed, this is a cardstock. It's a little bit thicker, which is going to give us a little more play on the back side of our cardstock, which is nice just because I have this extra fold in there. So we're going to add this in on the back. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and layer this on top because I want it to have that nice pop of purple behind, and it will kind of coordinate that purple in when we make the band on the front as well. So we're going to go like this. We're going to put our sticker on the inside. We're going to use this one. It says, "You make me very catty." Whoops. Just one sticker, please. Thank you. All right, we're going to put this right in the middle. We're going to add a sticker. We're going to use this one. And we're going to add a little piece of washi tape to the bottom. We're going to do all the things, you guys. We're decorating the inside of this card first. So it's our little strip of washi tape. Grab a stencil. I'm always happy to have a random stencil handy. I have them just sitting out on my desk, which makes it very handy. All right, so there's the inside of our card first. Now we're going to worry about the outside of our card. And we're going to take our pattern paper And we're going to, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a border. So I'm going to cut this piece. Looks like 2 inches. So let's do 3. I'm going to do 1 3/4. And I'm going to cut 2 pieces that size, 1 for each side. Now we're using the pattern paper, so you could do 1 of each, which I think I'm going to do because that's super cute. There's, oops. There's 1 piece. And then we're going to do the other side. And again, you could have added that bright purple in there as well in the background if you wanted to. I just, I only wanted it in those 2 places. So we're going to do this. Okay. You could add a sticker on here if you wanted to kind of liven it up a little bit, but I don't want it to take away from my band. So here is our card base so far. And then we're going to take this band and we're going to create a little door to kind of close it all off. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in to the center and fold it in to the center and kind of get it to overlap each other. And it looks like when I cut this piece of paper last, it was not square. Let's try to fix that issue. There we go. That's a problem. That's all right. We'll get it fixed. Okay, so we're going to add like so, and we want to make sure that you can slide it off of there. So we're going to do like this. We're going to do a little strip of glue on the inside so that we can fold them over like so. Okay, and then I'm actually, now that I have this size, I'm going to flip that to the back so that it's not so prominent. So we can decorate this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and we're going to utilize some strip action in here. Just do something fun. Maybe these are just a scrap pieces. So, ooh, I love that. So we're going to take this and this. I just want to cut it the same size. There we go. Oh, I actually kind of like that layered on top of each other. That was completely by accident, but I like that, so we're going to go with it. So I'm going to just put this right in the center, and I'm going to put this on top of it without trying to get glue all over everything, because this is a skinny piece. There we go. And do this strip right down the middle so we kind of have that little decoration. Then we're going to grab our capybara and we're going to grab our dimensions. And we're going to pop our little capybara off of the paper a little bit. Make sure that you don't put it where you're not going to have it touching. Just want to make sure that I have him all the way on there. There we go. We're going to have him pop off the paper a little bit because he's so darn cute. This capybara, like, I know it's super popular on TikTok, but literally I hadn't heard anything about it until I was at tour and somebody was talking about it, and I was like, they're really that popular? Like, I had no idea. To add our little button here, grab our little rhinestones. We're going to do one down here. And there is our cute little fold. You just take this out, slide it down, open it up, and there is our final project for our 29 days of crafting. Let's take our little envelope, add our little strip of washi tape on there, and we're going to grab the little heart that's on here, and we're going to touch that. And there is our final project. Thank you guys so much for joining us for our 29 days of crafting. I hope that you were inspired to try crafting a little bit over the course of this 29 days. If you have not had a chance to watch these videos, you may go over to my YouTube channel. They are all housed there. You go and look through all of them and get some super cute and fun ideas for you to either incorporate in your planning, crafting, or any kind of fun activities that you have going on. These are simple crafts. They don't take a lot of energy or activity or mental clarity. You can really just grab a piece of paper and start playing. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you have found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out to others, and I will see you guys all very soon. Bye, friends.